Hey guys, welcome to my review of 5-minute profit pages. Now I'm inside the members here area here. It's a new release by Brendan Mace, and it's actually a strategy where you can literally discount the front end items on offers, and then what you do is you give them a discount, and it obviously gives people more an opportunity to get into the sales funnel where you can actually maximize your profits, because obviously the math is they get a bit of a discount, they feel they've got a little bit more money to spend, so they're more inclined to purchase the upsell. So that means more profits for you and a bigger return. So, and they've actually got it all inside this one app, and I'm going to go through with it in a moment. But right now I'm going to go through my bonuses. Now the bonuses are, I'm going to give you access to Infusion. You're going to get on top of the just sort of standard Infusion membership, I'm going to throw in the Done For You package for you guys. It's an crack of a product, definitely worthwhile jumping onto. Inside this, you're also going to get guaranteed approval on Infusion. Now, I'm also going to throw in, when you pick up 5-minute profit pages, you're going to get Phoenix and all upgrades. You get Phoenix membership, Profit Automos, Done For You package, Profit Box, unlimited traffic, and license rights to all the profits for Phoenix. And also the breakout code and all upgrades, guys. This is my biggest bonus to date, so definitely take advantage of it. At the moment, Brendan's got a special deal, $5 discount going on right now with 5-minute profit pages, so do take that before he takes away that $5 coupon. So it's automatically instead on the sales page, so guys, make sure you grab it so you get the full maximum return on these bonuses. Bonus withdrawal, you're going to get access to the loss code, you're going to get the Fuego multiplier, these are vendor bonuses, Urgency Sweeps Pro, and the Fuego Breakout, guys. So these are some really good info products. This one's a software where you can actually embed codes and create a sense of urgency through timers and whatnot. So a very good product. Excuse me. Very good product to grab. Now inside the members area, where you can actually go inside here, so you can manage your campaigns. There's a full tutorials where you can request access links. Now you can manage your campaigns in here. So obviously you're going to get a ton of access to all of Brennan's products. So you can jump in here. As you can see, you're going to be able to request the affiliate. You get guaranteed approval to do this. Now they've got inbuilt sales pages as well. So obviously something like this, and where you guys can jump on and being able to get access to these pages as well. So it's pretty awesome. You can request the affiliate link here, guys, by this link, and you'll be able to get guaranteed approval. And on top of that, you'll get some instant traffic as well. It's got embedded free traffic, and also a little bit of high ticket integration Done For You. I think this Done For You is an upgrade, but we'll go into that in a moment. Now the funnel is it's not $12.95. It's actually $13.11 after the $5 coupon. It will go up to $18.11. There is the platinum edition of the $37. There's a $197 offer for the Done For You high ticket commissions, where they're going to instill the 1K system webinar into your profit pages so you can maximize your returns. So you get nice chunky commissions there. Done For You recurring landing pages, passive income email series, and you also get unlimited traffic and license rights to sell 5-minute profit pages as well. So guys, it's definitely worthwhile. The upgrades are all optional. The front end is where you're going to get your bonuses. All right, guys. I'm not making you buy any upgrades. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you feel like it's going to enhance your experience better with 5-minute profit pages, definitely go for it. However, if you just want to jump on at the $13.11 mark, then you're more than welcome to do so. So, guys, just recapping: Infusion, you get Done For You package. You get the Phoenix and all upgrades, you get the breakout code and all upgrades when you grab the front end of 5-minute profit pages. Alright guys, so obviously you've seen inside the area, it's pretty well equipped. Done For You pages, integrations and whatnot, and you'll be able to get started straight away. Alright guys, enjoy, and I look forward to you guys jumping into the bonuses that I've got to offer and maximizing your results. Cheers.